Thank you, Mr. President. My question is for the Minister for Health in the other place. Will the Minister please explain why employers were directed that retail workers needed to be double vaccinated to reopen? Until the press conference on Monday, retail workers were told to be double vaccinated. Now, the COVID-19 mandatory vaccination (workers) direction number 5, signed off by the acting Chief Health Officer on the 21st of October, showed a date of 26th of November for double vaccinations for retail workers.
Thank you, President. I thank Dr Cumming for her question, and of course I'll seek an answer from the Minister for Health, but I would like to say that it is the advice of our public health officials that vaccination certainly remains our best protection to mitigate against this virus and indeed enable our state to reopen as safely as possible. There is a lot of information online available for retail workers. There's the coronavirus website, How We Work, Current Restrictions, which has a retail trade FAQs, which is really clear about how they deal with customers attending their store, how to work with staff, and the specific dates and requirements that need to be met.
Dr. Cumming on supplementary, please.
I thank the attorney for her response, but it would seem that the directions change so often that everyone is struggling to keep up. But I do look forward for the Minister for Health's response. Now, will the Minister please explain why healthcare workers do not need to be double vaccinated until the 15th of December? The COVID-19 mandatory vaccination (specific facilities direction number 10) was signed off by the acting Chief Health Officer on the 21st of October, effective from 11:59 that night. Now, workers in healthcare facilities had a first dose deadline on the 29th of October and a second dose deadline on the 15th of December. Now, healthcare facilities include hospitals, ambulance, COVID-related healthcare sites and dentists. No wonder there is consistent confusion around the requirements for workers to be vaccinated with no consistent dates and the dates continually changing.
Minister.
Thank you, President. I thank Dr Cumming for her question. I'll pass it on to the Minister for Health. I would use the opportunity to thank our amazing healthcare workers and health providers across the state who have not only been ensuring that the health and safety of Victorians has continued throughout the pandemic, but obviously has been compounded with impacts of this virus. In relation to the dates, I'm very confident that a lot of health providers are very clear on these things because this is obviously their core business. I would ask Dr Cumming if you have a specific example of where you have a health provider that is seeking for some further information. It might be a good opportunity to connect them directly with the Department of Health, but your general question I will seek an answer from the Minister for Health.
Thank you.